What is happening, guys? TechRex here. I got a fully working 6S right here. Check out the sick wallpaper. It's looking pretty good. It's a gold one. There's no scratches. It's in flawless condition. And we have a cutter here, but this is not a regular blade. This is a diamond dust blade. I want to show you guys in detail. And we're going to be placing this iPhone underneath it and messing around with it, seeing how much force and pressure can this phone take on the surface of the glass. So let's just go straight into this. Turning on the phone. I'm going to show you guys. Here it is, and let's do this. So okay, guys, I just want to update you what happened after that first set of blade cuts. Check this out. The phone is still fully working. 3D touch, yes. Opens up applications, camera still works. Phone is still in perfect condition, but now you have that monster design, which looks absolutely incredible. I want to show you guys a little bit right there. Check this out. And you can turn it back off, turn it back on. Everything works. So now we're going to go ahead and make these lines across, kind of in that tic-tac-toe type of manner. Let's go ahead and do this. Now we're gonna see what progress this phone made, and whoa, that is incredible. Guys, look at that tic-tac-toe design. This looks crazy. Phone is still working. Now let me actually wait a little bit, because there is quite a bit of water, and turn it on. Can I unlock it? Having a little bit of issues trying to unlock it, but we may just have to wait a few minutes, and it's probably gonna start working just like new. So let's just give it a little bit of time. Alright, guys, we're going to finish this iPhone off, and what we're going to be doing is cutting it into 4 different pieces vertically from top to bottom. So let's go ahead and do this. Again, phone is still working. It's insane, unbelievable. Let's turn it back on and see what happens. And check out the final conclusion of this 6S. This looks incredible. 4 different pieces. I just put them together. This is how it looks like. All the pieces. And this piece is actually very hot to the touch. It's inflated a little bit. You can see the buttons still work. Volume rockers still clickable. But that pretty much sums it up, guys. So again, thank you for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.